Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix "Sorry, you have been blocked" on ChatGPT. So I'm here in my ChatGPT right now, and as you can see, I have fixed this problem already, and I'm going to show you how I did that. First things first, we're going to go ahead and take a look at our VPN. So the way that we are going to do that is we're just going to go ahead and click the start button here, and we're going to type VPN. We're going to click this one. Now here, you have to make sure that you have disabled your VPN. If you have, as you can see, I don't have any VPN connection as of the moment, so you can see that it's not working here. I've already removed it, and so that is the first thing. Now we're going to close this one, and the second thing that we are going to do is the extension. You have to make sure that the extensions that you have here in your ChatGPT is really not interfering here with your ChatGPT. So if you have recently added some extension and then after that it started, or ChatGPT started showing you that problem, then you have to disable that. So you're going to go ahead and click this one here, and you're going to click manage extensions. Now from here, if you see any extensions that you think is bothering or is somehow disturbing your ChatGPT, then you'll just have to disable that one or remove that one. You can click this one here in order to remove it, or you can disable this one by just clicking this to toggle it off, just like so. Now you can do that for all the extensions that you think is causing that problem. So again, just click this one here in order to disable it. And yep, the next thing that we are going to do is basically the settings. So we're going to go ahead and click this one here. We're going to go ahead and scroll down and find the settings, this one. Now here in the settings, you're going to go ahead and click privacy and security. After clicking on privacy and security, you're going to go ahead and scroll down to site settings. We're going to scroll down and click third-party cookies. Now from this point forward, we're just going to go ahead and click see all site data and permissions. And from this point forward, we're going to type here OpenAI, just like so. I'm going to go ahead and delete this one here. The same thing for this one. Alright, there you go. Now here we're going to refresh this one and we're going to log back in. So we're going to click this, and we're going to go ahead and continue with Google. Alright, now this should be okay afterwards, but if this problem persists, then the next thing that you're going to do really is going to be using a VPN. So from this point forward, I want you to choose the VPN that you think it fits better. Now congratulations everybody, that is how you're going to fix "Sorry, you have been blocked" on ChatGPT.